not whipped cream. What is this?
Hey guys, I'm Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. We're back for another day of Vlogmas, and this time I'm making cookies with Bae. He's once again here by choice. He's so excited to be here and be part of this video again.
It's great to see you guys again by popular demand, I'm sure. Bruh.
We show you how we make these super cute holiday sugar cookie kit. The lighting's really weird. There we go. And see how it comes out. You guys, do not forget to enter the giveaway. Once again, it's a $50 Amazon gift card to get some free gifts. So if you want some free stuff for the holiday, why do you keep doing that? If you want some free stuff for the holiday, definitely enter the comment box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. I'll be making more content, hopefully with Zach. So make sure you guys keep subscribing and liking the videos. But without further ado, let's begin. So let's begin. So first we need a bowl. So I can get the bowl. And then we need okay, thank you. A spoon, something just to mix it up. Let's open this thing. You guys can see it. It's the holiday, oh my gosh, this camera. There we go. Holiday elf cookie kit. Let's see if it comes out anything like this. Ooh, it comes with some, okay, this is for the icing. And here's the cookie cutter. Liking your hat?
It's very great. Thank you. Thank you for the hat.
You're welcome. Anytime. You're gonna be wearing it all season long.
All season long.
Okay, so let me put this in here.
Oh, listen.
That's perfect, babe. That's perfect. Okay. Hey guys, I want to pop in and just let you know that this is gonna be another prank on Zachary. And so he thinks we're gonna be using the ingredients that we have for the cookies, but I'm actually gonna mess up all the ingredients and just put whatever I want in when he's not looking. Do I need a flour?
Yeah.
You do? Okay.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Okay. Let's add some olive oil. Okay.
Made it worse, did it?
Huh?
Did it make it worse?
I think it made it better because I think it needs to be more oily.
Why don't you add some of this funfetti?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Let's add some confetti. I love the smell of confetti. Alright, let's add some milk. I just want to add some milk.
Yeah, we can add a little bit of milk and a little bit.
No, we're not adding that.
Yeah, this won't hurt.
No, these are supposed to be kid-friendly cookies.
These will be kid-friendly cookies.
No. We don't want that in this cookies. No. That's not the. No.
Just a little bit.
No, Zach, they're sugar cookies. It just tastes gross.
Just a little bit.
This is not supposed to be out of the cookies. These supposed to be so nasty.
Just for taste. Just for taste.
Ew, well, they're about to be gross. First of all, this is not even mixing right. Alright,
It
Zach.
smells like Christmas, doesn't it?
Sorry, can you go look in that pantry again? I'm pretty sure there's some flour in there. Yeah, ooh, it's coming out good, guys.
It's looking okay.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Ground cinnamon.
There you go. You guys can see the consistency of the cookie batter. Oh, bring Lilo so we can see Lilo's. Zach, pick Lilo up. Lilo's. Oh, Lilo. Say hi, everybody. Say Merry Christmas. Lilo. I love you. No, you can't eat this cookie anymore. So now we're going to scoop the cookie dough onto the pan. We decided not to use the cookie cutter stuff because we don't think the dough is big enough, right? It's so cute. You can see it. So open the oven. The oven is at 350 degrees. Perfect.
Good job.
Okay, so
How long do we leave it in there for?
we can leave it in there for 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm taking the cookies out and adding this shake. About your bed. we're going to eat the cookies that we have right now. I put some whipped cream on top, just to add some flavor. But we're gonna try them.
That looks weird.
What do you mean?
Whipped cream looks weird. Where'd you get that?
It's whipped cream I bought from Kroger. It's low fat whipped cream. It's low fat because I didn't want to put too much sugar in it.
Where's the bottom?
It's already gone, Zach. So I think you should try it. It's really good, Zach. Remember, you spent all this time making these cookies, baby. Please try that one. No, try this one, baby. Look, take the cookie. Take the cookie.
That looks really off.
It's just low fat whipped cream. You ever seen low fat whipped cream before?
It doesn't look right.
What do you mean? What's wrong with it, Zach? It's whipped cream.
What is that?
It's whipped cream.
No, it's not. No, it's not whipped cream. What is this?
It's whipped cream. Why did you do that?
That's not whipped cream. It's not whipped cream.
Okay, it's shaving cream
What
on
is
my
that?
face.
That's so nasty.
Oh my gosh,
Rip
Zach.
all that off. Oh. It's a Zachary prank. That's what happens. You try to get me again. There's no way.
That was really mean. That was really mean. Okay guys, I guess that is the end of the prank. I end up being the person to suffer the most after he pushed the shaving cream in my face.
You don't deserve it. So tell the camera that you didn't deserve to decide to.
How did you know it was shaving? Did you know it was shaving?
It just looks too weird. It looks too weird. I just want to eat the cookie. Like, I don't want to eat all the stuff on it. Well, here's the real cookie, isn't it? How about?
Do you think the cookie's good?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy because I put apple cider vinegar, jalapeno sauce, lemon juice,
Yeah.
everything. I did.
That's not bad.
Ew, Zach, don't eat it! Zach, don't eat it! I actually put that stuff in there.
How about?
I would stop eating that, but you're about to get stomach ache. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Oh my gosh, Zach is just, that did not go as I expected at all. Literally a prank gone wrong.
Just some more cookies.
Zach, I would stop eating those cookies.
That's pretty good.
Ew, Zach, I put so much gross stuff in there. Oh my god, why is he actually eating it? And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you want to enter the giveaway and tell me your favorite part of this video so you can get a free $50 Amazon gift card. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.